McDonald's rules of deals you should know before redeeming. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. These are some rules before redeeming. How many McDonald's deals can be used at a time? You can only redeem one McDonald's deal per person per visit. Deals can be only used if you have opted in to participate in My McDonald's Reward program. Also, why do McDonald's deals disappear and others don't? New deals are added to the McDonald's app regularly to give you a variety of choices and discounts, and deals are removed from the deal screen once they expire or have been used. And also, how can I get McDonald's coupons? At the moment, there are no coupons in the app, but there are plenty of deals. If a McDonald's deal is available for redemption through mobile order and pay, and you have opted in to participate in the My McDonald's Reward program, it will have an Add Deal to Mobile Order button below the code when accessing the deal in the McDonald's app. To redeem the deal, select the Add Deal to Mobile Order button and the Customize items in this order. Choose Add to Order to add the deal to your bag. And these are the rules you should know before redeeming McDonald's deals. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.